Okay, let's talk about Michael Jackson's Thriller album. Came out in November 1982 by Epic Records. Reunited with Off the Wall producer Quincy Jones, Michael Jackson was inspired to create an album where every song was a killer. With the ongoing backlash against disco, Jackson moved in a new musical direction, incorporating post-disco, rock, and funk. Thriller foreshadows the contradictory themes of Jackson's personal life as he began using a motif of paranoia and darker themes. The album features a single guest appearance with Paul McCartney, becoming the first artist to be featured on one of Michael Jackson's albums. The recording took place from April to November 1982 at Westlake Recording Studios in Los Angeles with a production budget of $750,000. With 32 million copies sold worldwide by the end of 1983, Thriller became the best-selling album of all time. It was the best-selling album worldwide of 1983 and was also the first album to become the best-selling in the United States for 2 years in 1983 and 1984. The album broke racial barriers in popular music, enabling Jackson's appearance on MTV and meeting with President Ronald Reagan at the White House. It was among the first to use music videos as promotional tools. The video for Billie Jean, Beat It, and Thriller are credited for transforming music videos into a serious art form. The album's success set the standard for the music industry with its songs, music videos, and promotion strategies, influencing artists, record labels, producers, marketers, and choreographers. The video Thriller was inspired by the movie American Werewolves in London.